I'm going to be teaching you how to speak Toki Pona, the language of good, by Sonia Lang, which is a conlang, a constructed language created in 2001 by Sonia Lang, like I just said. Toki Pona is a very minimalist language and basically tries to comprise everything that a language needs, but only take the most basic forms. This is most evident in its 123 words. So yes, over the course of a few days, I'll teach you how to learn Toki Pona. It's a language so simple, you can become fluent in it in 30 hours. So, yeah, I'll talk about it later. Alright, here's your first lesson of Toki Pona. First, you're going to need to learn the alphabet and how to pronounce Toki Pona words. So, Toki Pona has 14 phonemes, or speech sounds, 9 consonants, and 5 vowels. Toki Pona has J, which represents the sound that Y makes in English, so ya, K for k, L for U, M is M, N for N, P for P, S for S, T for T, and W for W. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Now, you can finally pronounce Toki Pona words. And for a little note here, emphasis, or stress, whatever you want to say, is on the first syllable of a word. And if you really care, here are all the syllables that Toki Pona allows. So I just wanted to mention something about Toki Pona writing. You never use uppercase or capital letters in Toki Pona. You only use lowercase letters. That's so that it can emulate the IPA, because you don't write any capital letters for the IPA either. Well, you do sometimes, but they're completely different sounds. It's not really capital letters in a sense. So when you're typing in Toki Pona, you only use lowercase. When you're writing by hand in Toki Pona, you only use lowercase. You never use uppercase, okay? Good. Tawa. Toki. Alright, now that you know how to pronounce Toki Pona words, you need to know how to create sentences. First, you need to learn a few Toki Pona words. Mi is I, me, we, or us. Sina means you. Ona means he, she, it, or they. Yan is person or people. Moku is food or eat. Pona is good. Ike is bad. Iyo is thing. Toki is speech, language, or hello. Suno is sun or bright, and telo is water or liquid. You use the word li to separate the subject and the predicate when it is not mi or sina. For example, if you want to say I eat, you say mi moku, since moku can also mean eat. But if you want to say he eats, you say onali moku. The predicate is basically whatever the subject is doing. Remember, it comes after subjects that are not mi or sina. Toki, welcome to your first Toki Pona practice video. Try translating these short sentences. First, we'll do Toki Pona to English. Mi moku. I am eating, or I eat. Onali moku. He is eating, or he eats. Sina moku. You are eating, or you eat. Mokuli suli. The food is big. Yan li toki. People speak, or people are speaking. Now let's do English to Toki Pona. Speaking is good. Toki li Pona. She is a person. Ona li yan. I am tall. Mi suli. You are good. Sina Pona. Food is good. Moku li Pona. The sun is big. Suno li suli. Mi tawa. Hello, whoever decided to watch this. So, I was looking at those weren't even shorts that I made of Toki Pona videos before, and I was like, these are really bad. I should just compile them, make them one real video, because I was not going to be able to get another video out by Friday, and it was a lot easier to just compile everything that I already had and make that one thing, instead of doing research for another topic, writing the script and recording it, and then getting drawings if necessary, your photos, and then finally editing it all. That was a lot easier to do. So yeah, I'm just not going to be able to get other video up by Friday. So yeah, that's why you have this. Why do I sound a bit weird right now is because recently got the second vaccine, so yeah. I think it's trying to murder me. Don't worry, you should still get it if you're considering getting it. Yeah, I really don't have much to say other than that. That's just why I made this. So, mi tawa.